here with Liz and Tony. How are you guys doing today?
We're great.
Doing great. We're in Hawaii. It's amazing.
Okay, so I'm just going to ask you a couple little questions. So we know the Horton Group just took over the benefits program with GAWDA, which is super exciting. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are really excited that we just took over the program and would love to have a conversation with any distributor, supplier, anyone who's a part of GAWDA can participate in the program. There's immediate savings on the table. It covers dental, vision, life, disability. There's technology, rate guarantees. You know, we see it as a real win-win for all GAWDA members. So we're really excited about it.
And how many distributors do you typically work with?
Yeah, so currently we work with 130 distributors across the country, and that includes supplier members as well. So all welding and gas all day.
Gosh, that's incredible. And why is having a specialty insurance provider beneficial?
Yeah, so it's super important to have the right coverage, and it's also super important to have your agent understand your business. What's unique is most insurance agents work in kind of a 2-hour radius around their office. So the interesting thing about welding and gas is that most local insurance agents only work with one. So if you're working with a local insurance agent, they're not seeing what's happening all across the country. And the cool thing about that is, you know, we've got a lot of lessons learned. So if something happens, if there's a fire, if there's an explosion, if there's a workers' compensation injury, we can take a lesson learned from one and make sure that that doesn't also impact another. And then the special coverages, welding and gas is really unique. If you don't have the right coverages in place, you could be buying insurance for something that doesn't cover your industry or the gases that you sell. So pretty critical.
And really just to add on the employee benefit side, especially with what we're doing with the GAWDA program, is we've been able to take advantage of having group purchasing power. So we've been able to get really competitive rates and a lot of support on the back end, which has been really helpful for a lot of members.
Absolutely. And what does 2024 look like for the Horton Group?
Yeah, so from my perspective, I am just trying to grow this GAWDA benefits program. So trying to talk to as many members as possible, have conversations, and it can go, you know, groups down to 2 lives can participate in this program, up to, you know, as many as, you know, thousands of people. So we are really just trying to make an impact and help GAWDA out and GAWDA members out, saving some money, giving them good benefits. Yay!
So why is it important for the Horton Group to be a part of the GAWDA Association?
So, I mean, we love GAWDA. Like, these are our people. This is our Super Bowl. We get to see all our clients, all our friends, all the industry members. We get to learn what's happening and kind of share some of the good stuff that we can do for them. So, this is it.
Yeah, I know Tony is a GAWDA veteran for sure, but this is only my second GAWDA event. I've been a newer participant in the association, and I've just felt so welcomed. Everyone is so nice. I've gotten to make so many great connections, friends, new clients, so it's been really, really awesome so far.
Well, we're so happy to have you here, and welcome to the GAWDA family. And thank you so much for your time today.